Welcome. Let's explore the 5S system and how it can transform your workspace from chaos to order. In today's session, we'll dive into the principles of the 5S system and its transformative power. Ever feel overwhelmed by a disorganized workspace? It hinders productivity and creates stress. Enter the 5S system, a simple yet powerful approach to workplace organization and efficiency. The 5S system isn't just for factories. It's a universal method applicable everywhere. Forget the old idea that 5S is only for manufacturing plants. This philosophy works for offices, schools, even homes. 5S is relevant in offices, medical facilities, laboratories, educational institutions, and even in your digital space. Let's start with the first S, Siri, which translates to sorting. Saniri is about getting rid of the superfluous and keeping only what's needed. A key practice in Standardize is red tagging. This involves identifying and marking unnecessary items for removal. Next, we have Satan, which means set in order. A place for everything, and everything in its place, is the guiding principle of Seaton. Visual cues, like labels and outlines, make it easy to find items quickly. Now let's talk about Seiso, also known as shine. Seiso goes beyond mere cleanliness. Its cleanliness is inspection. Regular cleaning helps identify problems. Integrate cleaning into your daily routine, not just as an isolated task. Seiketsu, the fourth S, means standardize. Seiketsu establishes rules and procedures to maintain the gains of the first three S's. This turns the successes of the first three S's to standard practice. Visual standards, such as labels and color coding, make it easy to follow the established procedures. Lastly, we have Shitsuke, which means sustain. Shitsuke is about making 5S a part of the culture. It requires discipline, regular audits, and continuous improvement. Continuous improvement, also known as Kaizen, is key to maintaining and enhancing the 5S system. Let's look at a real-life example of how 5S can transform a space. Witness the difference between a chaotic workspace before 5S and an organized one after. Now it's your turn. Let's try the first three S in your own space. Choose a small area and practice sorting. Set in order and shine. There are numerous benefits to implementing 5S, including increased efficiency, security, quality, and morale. 5S leads to a visually clear space, improved safety, reduced losses, and improved quality of work. Remember, 5S is an ongoing process. Start small and keep improving. Apply the first three S today. Start with a small area, review your progress, and share your experience.